How to fix can't join meeting in Google Meet. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix can't join a meeting in Google Meet. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So there can be many reasons why you cannot actually join a meeting in Google Meet. One can be a server-side error, the second can be your cache memory on your device. So let's get into fixing it. The first step that you will need to take is head over to your settings and simply scroll down until you find the settings called General, and right here you'll find iPhone storage. Tap on it, and after you tap on it, you will then need to simply scroll down until you find your Gmail or you find your Google Meet. After you find Google Meet or Gmail, simply offload the app, and after you offload it, you'll then need to reinstall it. After you find the reinstall button, tap on reinstall and it should start reinstalling your Gmail and Google Meet. After that happens, your problem is basically fixed, as the cache memory will get deleted and your entire app will get reinstalled, but with all your data kept saved. And yeah, that's the first fix. The second fix is if there is a server-side error. If that's the case, all you can do is wait until they fix this issue, and after they fix this issue, you can just simply start using your Google Meet again. And yeah, that is how you can fix you not being able to join meetings in Google Meet. Thanks for watching. That is all for today's video. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.